from JakeTheStockGuy.com. Let's get right into today's video. Today's daily profit, $183.50. Today is day 7 of the small account challenge. Now I need to be keeping this in a spreadsheet actually, so I can keep track of all the trades and the starting balance. I want to show you guys how far I can take it, but I just need to be a little bit more organized. So you guys, we're on Instagram. Be sure to give us a follow, JakeTheStockGuy_. I post a lot of like good content here about options and like, information you want to know. Also, you can follow the link right here. Here's the YouTube channel. By the way, guys, if you're not a subscriber, please consider subscribing. I make content videos every single day for you guys, trying to show you the power of options trading and how you can make consistently green days, day after day after day, consistently green day after day after day. No problems at all. Look, here's our website. If you go to the website, you can get we offer a free 14-day trial where I want to show you guys basically how it's done. You want to follow me, Jake the Stock Guy, on your way to financial freedom, on your way to consistently profitable green days. And look, I'll do this all day until the cows come home. Facebook, for the Facebook page, we have a private and public private group. The IG and the Twitter. I am also on Twitter. We are on Twitter. That's Jake Ogletree, Options Guru Jake. I also have the business account somewhere in here, but I'm just loving this trading day. The thing about UPS is I couldn't get in today, like right at the open. I got in a little late. It just like the options didn't open up for me for whatever reason. UPS, great morning trade. Really was loving it. Just nice, just boom, green at the open, straight up into pre-market high, and then also target, which was 220. I also have a target of 225. I'm expecting that to come tomorrow. Yeah, I just want that first 5-minute trade in the morning, 225. Going to be keeping this stock on watch for tomorrow. Also, I'm going to be watching Microsoft. Nice earnings winner. It was like, up and then down and then back up, but we're holding this nice area right here of resistance. Should be a nice day. Going to have a lot of eyes on Microsoft tomorrow. I'm expecting we might be able to go a little bit higher than. I'm going to blow this up for you guys so you can see. So I'm always drawing support and resistance lines. I use 3 indicators: RSI, stochastic, and 50-day simple moving average. I mostly day trade on the 5-minute time frame, and I use historical lines of resistance and support to find my entries, my exits, and my price targets for where to sell. So yeah, Microsoft, it's looking juicy. It's looking real good. Let's see if that does anything. Yeah, 320 tomorrow, guys. We're gonna have a nice boom. We're gonna touch. We might even go over it actually, but 320 for sure tomorrow. As long as they don't gap it up towards it, I would like to keep it somewhere around here, kind of boiling up, and then boom. Nice 5-minute, 5-minute, 10-minute green candle. Get close to our target. 325, I don't know if that's in the cards, but the 322.50, I think that's a possibility. It's not a stretch of the imagination. 322.50, but definitely this 320 area. UPS tomorrow. You guys will be remembering this when you review this. Yeah, we're going to 325, maybe 330. I mean, it's a big breakout for UPS. If it goes to the all-time highs, it's not stopping. Yeah, that is not stopping. Yeah, it's going to be a good day for UPS tomorrow. I'm hoping we can go to all-time highs. That's what I'm looking for. And what I'm looking for, guys, is if you wonder where, uh-oh, go 6 months. Oh, where did my lines go? There they are. So we zoom out a little bit. I'm going to show you guys where I think. Let's go to the weekly. Zoom out a little bit. Zoom out a little bit. $250. 100% in the cards, guys. 100% in the cards. No stretch of the imagination here. God, I can't even go up that high. Go to the 4-hour. I definitely see a nice morning pop happening there. Anyway, guys, let me not get too distracted here. But, 183 bucks, not bad. UPST was a swing trade. Should have never swung trade it. Just stick to the formula, what works. The first trade in the morning. Just these were all scalps, the first trade in the morning. I identified all these trades this morning. I'll go through them really quick with you guys. Good morning, on watch, UPS, BBY, Dkng. I said UPS 1029-205 call. A few things to note. I talked about targets being 216 and 220. Go back to trading, UPS. Zoom in a little bit. Right here, 216, 46, and then boom, 220. Right there, 220.04 to the dime, or to the cent. Just perfect trade, guys. 5,800% return. Boom. BBY. Right to the target, guys. I posted that this morning. Right to the target, just so you know. Right to the target. Dkng was a little bit of a failed trade. I mean, I think we got somebody got 65%. It didn't it was still a good trade, but I'll explain it in a minute. Let's go to BBY first, and then we'll go back to Dkng. So again, you can see here, nice trade, 5-minute time frame, right off that 50-day simple moving average. All the way, not quite to the target. Not enough gas today in Best Buy. It's not really enough gas. Couldn't quite get there, Couldn't even get to the 124. But I think I took somewhere around 35% on this trade. Nice little pop at the open. 5-minute green candle. Same thing with UPS on the 5-minute time frame. Just so you guys know how long I'm in a trade. 5-minute green candle. Dkng. right here off the 50-day simple moving average. We get a nice bounce, kind of like back to this, like if you can see here a little bit, if I can zero this out for you guys, you see how we went off the 50-day simple moving average on the 5-minute time frame, and then we bounced. This is a good area to sell, right? Because this is like resistance. It used to be support, now it's resistance. I didn't know it would go somewhere between here and here, or here. I didn't think it would make it all the way back up to here, to that top of that wick. Okay. I mean, just pretty much sold off all day. It's making a little bit of a cup. Could be a cup and handle kind of pattern, but it's not the. I mean, I'm seeing some things here, guys, like seeing some nice things here. I like that. I like this right here. Seeing some things. Zoom in. Oh, if you want to learn how to do all those lines that I drew, I would go to, let's see here, jakethis.guy.com. Guys, look, please subscribe to the YouTube channel. Do me a favor. I put these videos up every day. Subscribe, hit the notification bell. And one thing I want to start doing is I want to see more likes on these videos. I want you guys to engage with me, ask me a question. You know, give me a thumbs up, give me a thumbs down. I don't care. Just engage with me. I'm coming to you to try to help you, and I'm trying to teach you. The least you could do is engage with my content and help me grow this channel. So please give me a comment. Let me know where you're from, how long you've been trading, what your name is. I want to get to know you. And then also ask me a stock related question for options. I'm happy to help you, okay? I'm happy to help you. So like, subscribe, and comment, okay? It's a lot to ask, but it's easy. Subscribe, notification bell, like the video, and give me a comment. I want to know who you are, where you're from, and what's holding you back from making $500 to $1,000 a day trading options. And it's not as hard as you think, guys. It's not as hard as you think. But if you want to take the master class, you just go to jakethis.guy.com. Again, that's jakethis.guy.com. And under products, we have an options trading master class. You can click on that link, and you can watch the video and read through the instructions there. It's about 7 hours of recorded material. Yeah, it's 7 hours of recorded material by me. It's a lot. We go through a lot. So, but if you become an active member in the jakethis.guy private Slack, then we offer it for 50% off. So maybe something of value to you. If you want to go do the 14-day trial and save yourself $500, be my guest. I don't care. But I am here to help you, here to educate you, and I do charge for my time and services and products. And I hope you guys are having taking advantage of them. So just in case you were wondering if these alerts work or if people are making money, I'm going to show you really quick the daily profit and loss screenshots. These were all from today. So I'm going to go here, and here we go, right here. Philip was not able to trade today, but was overly excited yesterday to pass over the 200K for the year goal met. Thanks to all the Jake the Stock Guy team and members. Go ahead, I'm going to save that. That is a very, very nice photo to save for keepsake memory. But first day trading, thank you, Jake. BBY USP 370. One more nice start of the week. Thanks, Richie Rich. Day 1, day 2, 308. Once again, great today. Played Nvidia, Tesla, and Apple. Great stuff here, guys. We're really killing it. So small account challenge complete, day 7, 183, Dkng, Snap BBY. Lost on this AGC trade, which is so reckless and stupid. It was a members trade, and I was already up like 300 or something on the day, and it was I shouldn't have like taken that like 1 step forward, 2 steps back approach. But stick to my formula, strategy, rules. You guys won't go wrong. Hey, real quick, thanks for being a member. I really do appreciate it. God bless, and I'll see you on the charts, guys. Don't forget, do me a solid, comment on this video and talk to me. I want to talk to you. All right, take care. Jake the Stock Guy signing off.